got Nutella.
Look, you got a horse too. Two horses. Oh. I don't know. What is that for?
Be pretty.
Yeah.
What's your horse's name? What's your horse's name going to
Maybe
be?
that one should be Tommy and that one should be Chuck. Yeah. Alice, here's all your stuff. And here's more stuff. And then you take this and butter. Oh, and there's my American doll.
Who's got a blanket, Alice?
Yeah.
A recipe book. Cool. Where's Georgia?
Georgia, what did you get?
And I also got another. What is that? Mary, look at this.
What?
Grandma, you have to open this.
Georgia, what about yours? Where's yours at?
Daddy.
Susie, what did you get? Mary, what are you opening over there?